Hello, it's Rachel, and today is the first day of a 7-day Christmas card making series. This is day 1 and I'm beginning here by masking off some elements, and then I'm applying 3 different shades of distressing using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam to blend the colours together. Next, I'm taking some titanium white liquid acrylic and I'm using this with a paintbrush to splatter some snow effect onto my background. And as a tip to getting really fine splatters, if you don't dilute the paint very much, if you leave it more or less as it is in the tube, then you're going to get finer splatters, whereas if you dilute it and make it quite watery, you're going to get bigger splatters. After this is dried, I also take some water in my hand and just flick this onto the background so that it reacts with the distressing and creates further splattering effect. This is a stamp by Donna Salazar and I'm stamping this directly over my background using some VersaFine ink in Onyx Black. For the sentiment on my card, I've chosen a stamp by PaperTrey ink. This is from a stamp set called Signature Christmas, and once I've stamped it, I'm going to edge my card using some distressing in Blueprint Sketch. This is a Spellbinders label die that I've used to cut the insert for my card, and I'm edging this with some of the colours of distress ink that I used on the outside of the card. So I'm starting here with Salty Ocean, and then I add some Wilted Violet and some Blueprint Sketch so that it matches the card front. To finish off my insert, I've chosen another sentiment stamp by PaperTrey ink. This time it says Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now I'm going back to the front of the card and I'm adding some sparkle to the main image. So for this I've chosen to use Stickles glitter glue in the colour Stardust. Now all that's left to do is attach everything to my card base. I'm using double-sided tape here for this. So I've started with the insert, and then for the front of the card I like to create some little handles to hold on to, which make positioning of the card front a lot easier to do. That is everything for day one. Don't forget, this is a Christmas card series, so there will be a new video uploaded every day for the next 7 days. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please leave me a like or a comment. That is always very much appreciated. The full product list can be found in the video description, as well as my social media.